how to add nice backgrounds to Adobe Express. So first open Adobe Express and then just open up a new project. So now I have a blank canvas here, right? So since we want to add nice backgrounds to this, you can just click on media here at the left side and then click on search photos. So let's say we're going to add let's say a rain background, right? And then you can just begin searching, looking for one that you're satisfied with. So let's say I'm going to click on this one. And then let's just, okay, make it bigger. And now you have a nice background to your canvas. So if you want to add your own, not here from Adobe Express, you can just click on your stuff here. And make sure just click on upload from device and then upload your photo to Adobe Express from your computer, okay, or from your mobile phone. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.